Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a hackathon or the coding challenge for women. So we shall quickly see the job details and everything for this challenge. So the Myntra HackerRamp WeForShe 2024. So it's a complete challenge for female candidates. So we shall see the stages and everything for this. So the eligibility criteria is that WeForShe it's open for female students and the graduates eligible it is for B or B.Tech programs that is full time either in second, third or fourth year. So it is for freshers and the M.Tech program full time that is currently in first or second year and the dual degree program that is full time and currently in third, fourth or fifth year and the students they must register in teams of 2 to 3 members. So this is the complete eligibility criteria for this Myntra HackerRamp. So coming to the different stages, so there are 4 different stages. So initially there will be webinar in which they will tell the procedure and the steps like what are everything like what are the phases and what is the steps that are included in all of these 4 phases. So there will be 4 phases. The phase 1 it will be ideation and the phase 2 will be the implementation and the phase 3 pre-finale as well as the phase 4 will be the grand finale. So these are the 4 different stages which are included in this Hacker Ramp program. So coming to the phase 1 that is ideation. So the submission details are that first you need to propose the solution for any of the use cases and later you need to submit your ideas as a presentation either in PPT or PPTX format and make sure that the slides it doesn't exceed 6, so it shouldn't be more than 6 slides and the PPT or the PPTX format template it will be shared with you and the filing naming convention will be as mentioned. So you need to follow all these guidelines for each of these phases. So this is all about the phase 1. In phase 1 that is ideation you are going to propose the 2 use cases, so max 2 use cases and for that you are going to propose the use case in the first phase. So in the second phase you are going to propose the prototype of that. So in the implementation phase you are going to implement the fully functional prototype that you proposed in the phase 1 and you are going to make it demo ready. So this is in the phase 2 and coming to the phase 2 submission guidelines, like you need to you need to give a short presentation like outlining about the solution and which does not exceed 6 slides. And then so the slides must include the overall solutions and the flow diagram of that and the technology components whatever you have used, and it shouldn't be more than 2 to 3 minutes. So the demo of that you are going to present and then you are going to give the link of the code repositories in either by the GitHub or GitLab. And then so you are going to push the code to the GitHub and you are going to send that link repository and then the video. So in brief you are going to present the video, like you are going to record that video and then you are going to compress that video and it shouldn't exceed 20 MB per video and later you are going to just submit. And for that also they have mentioned the file naming convention, so you are going to follow all these guidelines in each phases. So this was all about the phase 2. And coming to the phase 3 that is pre-finale, and in pre-finale like your team will be assigned with a mentor and in which they'll give you the valuable inputs based on your demo or the video whichever you have provided and based on the code whatever you have given the GitHub link. And then after that you are going to create a working model and you are going to present it to the jury members, and the top shortlisted teams they will move to the final round that is grand finale round. So in the phase 4 that is grand finale round and the top teams shortlisted from phase 3, so they will give the final presentation to the jury members and the winners will be declared. So these are the 4 phases which are included in this HackerRamp program. So coming to the dates and deadlines for the phase 1 that is ideation, the start date, so it's already started from 13 June 2024 and the last date will be 30 June 2024. And coming to the phase 2 that is implementation, so the start date will be from 5th July and end date will be 14 July. And for the phase 3 that is pre-finale, Start date will be from 19 July 2024 and the end date will be 28 July 2024, and the phase 4, that is grand finale. So start date will be 2nd August 2024 and the end date will be 2nd August 2024. So do note like all the deadlines and the dates which are mentioned. So coming to the rewards and the prizes, so the winners will be awarded with a cash prize of 4 lakh, and the first runner up, so they will be awarded with a Myntra voucher of 10,000 each participant. So the team should include either 2 to 3 members. And then the pre-placement interview opportunities for the teams, so who will make it for pre-finale, so they'll get an opportunity to interview with the Myntra. And then the digital certificates of merit, it will be provided to the finalist teams, and all the teams who will make it to pre-final stage, they will receive the participation certificate. So this is the complete rewards and the prizes which is included for the HackerRamp program. So coming to the application link, so you can register. So registration is already live, so you can just register yourself. It is through Unstop Hackathon. So the link will be provided in the description. You can just go to the stages and then you can just note the deadlines and everything, and then prepare on the same, and you can just take your time and like you need to give the use cases, like it should be unique, and make sure that don't give the common use cases, and you can just research on that, and you can provide some interesting use cases, and you can just provide the prototype everything, and you can just register yourself and you'll get mail for the same, and like all the complete competition or the hacker coding challenge details, it will be provided to your respective mail ID. So the link will be provided in the description. You can apply for this challenge. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.